Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own natural insecticide. It is really simple to make and I'm going to show you the things that you need. First, you're going to need 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of liquid hand soap or washing detergent. We are going to need a pot of 2 liters of water, a chopping board and a knife. So now let's get started. Now we are going to mince the garlic. What you can do is, you can either mince it or you can either blend it. After chopping, you will get very fine minced garlic. Now, let me move the chopping board away. Next, we are going to pour the garlic into the water and let it boil. Once the water has boiled, we are going to let the liquid cool for a few minutes. Next, we are going to pour in the oil, the liquid soap, and we are going to stir the mixture. Now, we are going to filter the mixture into another bowl. Once the liquid has cooled completely, we are going to pour the liquid into the bottle. This is a lemon tree, and if we zoom in closely, you can actually see the bugs on the underneath side of the leaves. Now let us test our newly made pesticide on the plant. The insecticide is natural and it will not harm the plant. So, this is how we create our own natural insecticide. With 2 liters of water, you can easily fill up to 4 to 5 bottles. For me personally, I can use it up to a month. It's natural and economical and biodegradable. So, what are you waiting for? Do try it at home and let me know how well it works.